Little pig piggy, 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 little piggy piggy pig. Little pig piggy, 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 little pig pig, little piggy piggy pig.
I got this guinea pig about 2 years back. She was the sweetest little piggy. Now I'll pay her my crap. This little piggy is a ninja, always stuck on my feet. This little piggy is a warrior, you know what I mean?
She's an evil little piggy. Look what you did to my hand. Tries to get in trouble any way that she can. I could give this pig a toy, but she'd rather have some food, and I'll always give her water, but she still drinks from the crapper. You can lock her in a closet and she just won't care. Piggy chews my shoes and she licks in my hair. Always playing the piano and tearing through the house.
She's so full of energy and easily amused. Piggy will attack anything that moves, causing trouble, starting battles, just so she could be a part of. She's the meanest little piggy, so we named her Lily. Hey little Lily, what is with all the gas? Little chubby piggy wanna fart, fart, fart. Hey little Lily, what is with all the gas? Little chubby piggy wanna fart, fart, fart. Hey little Lily, what is with all the gas? Little chubby piggy wanna fart, fart, fart. Where'd you go? Are you stalking me? Are you under the couch, quite possibly? Ready to pounce on my leg with everything that you got?
And now you're watching me from across the room, contemplating on attacking me soon. You're not in this little piggy, I'm gonna find you first. Come out before I make things worse.
Even if you try to sneak up on me, I'm prepared, because I got my safety gear and I'm not scared.
I think I hear a little piggy under the bed. I know you're making noises just to mess with my head. You can stalk me all I want, but I'm not your prey, because you always seem to find me first, but not today. She's the meanest little piggy, so I named her Lindy.
Hey little Lily, what is with all the gas? Little chubby piggy wanna fart, fart, fart. Hey little Lily, what is with all the gas? Little chubby piggy wanna fart, fart, fart. Hey little Lily, what is with all the gas? Little chubby piggy wanna fart, fart, fart.
I've got her cornered, and now she's mine. She's not gonna get away this time. I'll snatch her up fast before she can blink, and then, oh man, leave in the sink.
What is with this pig? I'm confused. She has a little box, but it's never been used. In every waking moment, Piggy's out for a fight, and then next minute, she's out like a light.
How can I let this creature live inside my home? I always have to watch her when I'm on the phone. I'm a little afraid to leave this pig all alone. She might destroy everything that I own.
Look at them now. I kind of feel bad. They're the best little pigs that I've had. And one big thing I forgot to mention was that they weren't fighting. They just wanted attention. Hey little Lily, what is with all the gas? Little chubby piggy wanna fart, fart, fart.
Hey little Linny, what is with all the gas? Chubby little piggy wanna fart, fart, fart.
Hey little piggies, what is with all the gas? Little chubby piggies wanna fart, fart, fart. Showing love, that's all this piggies do.
Done. Little pig piggy, 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 little pig pig, little piggy piggy pig. Little pig piggy, 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 little pig pig, little piggy piggy pig. Little pig piggy, 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 little pig pig, little piggy piggy pig.